Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to update your profile on Indeed in 2026. Yeah, keeping your profile updated helps you get better job matches and more interview chances. First, open the Indeed app or website and log into your account. You'll need access to your profile before making any changes. Next, click on your profile icon and go to your profile or resume section. This is where all your job information is stored. Now update your personal details like your name, phone number, email, and location. Yeah, make sure everything is accurate and up to date. Next, scroll down to your work experience section and edit your job titles, company names, and employment dates. Now, update your education details and add or remove skills. This helps employers understand your qualifications better. You can also upload a new resume or edit your existing one. So, this ensures employers always see your latest information. After making your updates, click Say Save to apply the changes to your profile. Yeah, your updated profile will now be visible to employers. And that's how to update your profile on Indeed in 2026. Hopefully this helps you improve your job opportunities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.